How to redeem Delta eCredit. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Delta eCredit. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. There are two ways to redeem a Delta eCredit for a flight. First, via your SkyMiles account. If you log into your SkyMiles account and go to your profile, a page with your personal details will appear. On the left side, under Profile, click on Certificates, eCredits and Vouchers option. You will be taken to a page with all your Delta eCredits, unused e-tickets and companion certificates, including their monetary values and expiration date. Check the box of the voucher you want to apply to your new reservation and continue to book your flight. If the new flight is more expensive than what your credit is worth, you will have to cover the difference. And the second one is book as normal and pay with eCredits. The second option to redeem your Delta eCredit is by making a booking as you normally would from the home page. Select your flight time, confirm passenger info, and click on Use Credits. When selecting a payment method, once your active credits appear, select the ones you want to redeem and finish your booking. If you pick just one or two vouchers from a list of credits, use the ones that expire the earliest. Even if they're in a smaller amount, you don't want them to expire before you get another chance to redeem them. Remember that you must be signed in into SkyMiles for the credits associated with your account to be available for use. So, this is how you can redeem Delta eCredit. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.